Introduction to Undeleting Files on Mac.
Accidentally deleting a file on your Mac can be stressful, but there are powerful tools built right into macOS that can help you recover your data. In this video, you'll learn how to use both the terminal and time machine to try to undelete files quickly and efficiently. No special software required.
First steps, check the trash.
Before using advanced recovery methods, always check the trash. If you find your deleted file there, right-click and select Put Back to restore it to its original location. If the trash has already been emptied, don't worry. You still have options using the terminal and time machine.
Recovering files with terminal.
If your file was deleted using the terminal or never reached the trash, you might be able to recover it using terminal commands. Open Terminal and try using the command ls/trash to list files in the trash folder. You can also use tools like NV to move files back. For files permanently deleted, success isn't guaranteed, but it's worth a try.
Restoring with time machine backups.
Time Machine is a built-in backup tool on Mac. Connect your Time Machine drive and open the folder where your deleted file was stored. Enter Time Machine from the menu bar. Browse through previous backups and select the file you want to restore. Click Restore to recover your file to its original location.
Tips and best practices for file recovery.
To maximize your chances of recovery, act quickly before new files overwrite deleted data. Regularly back up your Mac using Time Machine to protect against accidental deletions. Avoid using your computer heavily until you've attempted recovery, as this helps prevent permanent data loss.
Conclusion. Stay prepared.
Learning to undelete files using Terminal and Time Machine gives you control over your data recovery options. Make regular backups a habit and stay calm if you accidentally delete files. With these built-in tools, you have a good chance of getting your important documents back.